everyone, this is Team Pushya. I am Shreya Raj and along with me I have Ashok Reddy. One of the most critical aspects of a successful business management is the capability to analyze environment. Development and monitoring a firm internal and external environment notably shapes the strategic advantage to a business. The Porter's Five Forces framework is a common strategic planning model focusing on the actual level of competition in a particular industry or a company and the determinants thereof direct the managers on adjusting corporate tactics so as to maximize revenue and minimize competitive pressures. SWOT analysis of a business is the practical means of obtaining baseline informations regarding the factors internal and external which may either hinder or facilitate prosperity. An organization's strength and weakness are classified as internal factors which are controlled within the organizations, and opportunities and threat are categorized as external factors. Example, changes in the business environment which have not been influenced by the organizations. Over to you, Ashok.
Thank you, Shreya. Contents covered today are SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and Porter's five forces: threat of new entrants, bargaining power of buyers, competitions, threat of substitutes, bargaining power of suppliers.
Let's discuss about SWOT. The first one, S stands for strengths. Talking about the strengths of the Cave Coffee Day, Cave Coffee Day has an excellent brand name and brand visibility. It's a youth-oriented brand with appeal for the masses. It has a huge potential as 40% of the people who enter CCD are young. The major point of Cave Coffee Day is it saves a lot of cost in its background integration by producing or growing the coffee which it serves. And its USP is affordability with comfort. You can sit for a whole day in Cave Coffee Day and no one will ask you to leave. This comfort is a major USP of CCD. And the next one is weakness. Cave Coffee Day lacks strength to maintain brand loyalty. It has become the neighborhood coffee shop but not something that people stay loyal to as there is high competition in this segment. Also, due to various options available, customers switch brands. Many of the CCD stores are incurring losses due to wrong site selection. This has been hurting CCD over time as many stores has been opened at the wrong site and not on main roads. Being a retail establishment, this affects turnover and the brand image as well.
Opportunities for Cafe Coffee Day. Starbucks is being adored on the grounds that it has few advantage over Cafe Coffee Day. One of the advantage is the superior menu of things to eat alongside. Cafe Coffee Day can tap these opportunities and can introduce new cheaper versions of coffees to gain competitive advantage. Cafe Coffee Day has commemorated festival occasions. Throughout the season, treating menus with delighted range of winter beverages. Cafe Coffee Day has entered into an agreement with Uber to leverage Uber Eats apps for the distribution of food and beverages. Lastly, talking about the thread of Cafe Coffee Day. As there is no barrier to entry to the industry, some companies like Baristas, Starbucks are competing with Cafe Coffee Day. Second thing is that there is increase in the complexity of business as the chain grows rapidly and difficult to control. Lastly, indirect competitions. Other hookah parlors like Shesha, Peshwar are gaining lot of attentions by the young generations. This is the threat for the company.
Thank you, Shreya. I am presenting about Porter's forces. First one is competition. Cave Coffee Day faces many threats from increasing competition in the market. CCD is concerned with losing its customers to Starbucks. In India, consumer needs and preferences are changing rapidly and global brands are new attractions for India's youth and young working professionals. The intensity of industry rivalries is high. There is intense competition between local brands and international chains such as Starbucks and CCD. Competitors are constantly trying to create innovative and friendly atmospheres to gain market share, and even though CCD dominates the market, there are increasing new global brands. And the next one is substitution. The biggest threat of substitution within the coffee retail and the cafe atmosphere is the increase of competition from foreign brands, many of which are experts in international operations. Threat of substitution is high from businesses offering alternatives to coffee and the cafe atmosphere such as tea shops, mom and pop grocers across the country, and fast food retailers like McDonald's. And the next one is bargaining power of suppliers. The bargaining power of supplier is pretty low in the case of Cafe Coffee Day because there is absence of cartelization, meaning that in this industry, no company who groups together to protect their interest to unethically influence prices of the service. Moreover, the government of India regulates the prices of milk and coffee, which is an essential ingredient which CCD uses for their product. CCD has to make do with whatever prices the government would be setting. The backward integration is very prevalent in this industry. This is a vertical integration where a company buys another company that supplies the product needed for production.
I will be talking about the threat of new entrant. The moderate cost of doing business is associated with the variability of cost of establishing and maintaining operations in a coffee house industry. For instances, the cost of operations in a small coffee house is comparatively lower than the cost of operations in a coffee house chain. It's moderately easier for a small firm to enter into the market as the brand development requires time. As the brand development is costly, so the threat of new entrant becomes moderate. Bargaining power of a buyer. In this analysis model, the bargaining power of a buyer is among the significant factor that affects the company. Based on the low switching cost, customers are having at the switching end that they can switch from Cafe Coffee Day to the Baristas or Starbucks or any other local cafe. Higher availability of options makes the consumers at the choosing end with a wide variety of options for a cup of coffee.
Let's conclude. These are the two models which you could use to analyze any company. These are the very frequently used in any fundamental analysis exercise to understand the standing of any particular company. The collective strength of these Porter's 5 forces determines the profit potential of any industry and thus its attractiveness. A great thing about the SWOT analysis is the fact that it combines different research streams and perspectives like resource-based view and industry organization perspectives. Thank you.